Welcome to our prepositional phrase lesson. So let's recap what a preposition is. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship or a connection between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. It shows when or where something is really in relation to something else. A preposition connects a noun or a pronoun to another noun, pronoun, or noun phrase in a sentence. Outside, from, over, and between are a few prepositions used to tell where something or someone is. Besides indicating position and direction, prepositions also tell when an event happens or happened. A prepositional phrase is a group of words starting with a preposition. The preposition is followed by its object, that's the noun, pronoun, or noun phrase. Now let's look at some examples. The ball went across. So here we have a preposition but no object to connect the noun, the ball. So the ball went across what? Here we added our object, the road. So we have a complete sentence, the ball went, our preposition across the road. Another example, Mark climbed, and we have our preposition up. Again, preposition, but no object to connect to the noun, which is Mark. So Mark climbed up what? Here we have our object. He climbed up the tree. So Mark climbed up the tree. He ran from. Another example. Again, preposition, but no object to connect to the noun. So he ran from who or what? Here we have the object of our preposition, the bandit. So he ran from the bandit. Now a prepositional phrase, again, is a group of words starting with a preposition followed by its object. It could be a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase. A prepositional phrase cannot stand on its own, and it does not contain the subject of the sentence. So we see this here, across the road. So here we have our prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and we have the object. There's no subject in this phrase, and again it cannot stand alone to make a complete sentence. Across the road. What when across the road? Well, so we don't know. So it cannot stand alone. So that's why it's called a prepositional phrase, because it starts with a preposition and it has its object, and it cannot stand alone. Here we have the complete sentence with our subject at the beginning. The ball went, with our prepositional phrase, across the road. So again, up the tree, our prepositional phrase, our preposition up, and the tree, the object or prepositional phrase. When we cannot stand alone, so you have Mark climbed up the tree. From the bandit. Then from, with our preposition, the object of the preposition, prepositional phrase, can't stand alone, you must have that subject. He ran from the bandit. Here are other examples of prepositional phrases. Up a hill, into the woods, over the mountains, against the wall, in the vase, at the park, through the jungle, on the ground, beneath the bed, over the bridge. They cannot stand alone. Here we start with a preposition and the objects. They don't have or don't include the subject. So they have to go along with, we must have a subject in the sentence to connect the prepositional phrase. So again, a prepositional phrase is a group of words starting with a preposition followed by its object, noun, pronoun, or noun phrase, cannot stand on its own, and does not contain the subject of the sentence.